Everyone thinks starting a business requires money, risk, or a bright idea. But there's a business model that's been quietly exploding, a model that promises starting a business without inventory, without risk, and without massive startup money. People call it print on demand. It seems simple. Upload designs, accept orders, let someone else print and ship. And yet, why do 9 out of 10 people who try it never earn more than pocket change? Why do so many videos show examples of success, but so few people actually break through and earn real income? In this video, we're going to unpack the hidden story of print on demand, where the real money comes from, why most tutorials lead you astray. Effort doesn't. This isn't hype. This is the real economics behind a business many people misunderstand. 2. Setting the stage, background, and system. To understand print on demand, we need to resist one common assumption, that income comes simply from selling stuff online. It doesn't. Income comes from value capture. That means finding what customers actually want, presenting it where they already are. Delivering profit, not just revenue. Print on demand wasn't invented to replace hard work. It was invented to reduce risk. Instead of buying 100 t-shirts hoping they'll sell, you produce them only when someone orders. That means no inventory, no storage, no unsold stock, only fulfilled demand. Summarize you, but here's the twist. Reducing risk doesn't guarantee profit. That's why we're going to tell the story not just as a business model, but as a system with cause and effect. 3. Origins. Where print on demand began. Print on demand started as a simple concept in publishing. Authors could print books only after they were ordered. No warehouse required. Then technology expanded the idea to apparel, mugs, posters, phone cases, and more. At first, it was revolutionary because it lowered barriers, removed inventory costs, allowed individuals to become designed-to-market sellers. But in the early days, most people still treated it like a side hustle experiment. They would choose random designs, list them on random platforms, hope something takes off. Because it required no upfront inventory, people assumed it also required no strategy. That assumption was the first hidden trap. 4. The rise, easy access, then confusion. As platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, and Shopify made POD accessible, more people jumped in. Some early adopters earned real money. That created a new narrative. Print on demand is easy money. Suddenly the internet was flooded with tutorials, templates, automation tools. Just upload and watch it sell. Advice. But here's the subtle shift that most people missed. Print on demand isn't hard, but it isn't automatic either. Yes, you can technically start with $0. Yes, you don't need inventory. But profit doesn't come from uploads. It comes from strategy. Summarize you, and that's where most creators go wrong. Instead of finding demand, they bet on random supply. 5. Breaking point when effort doesn't pay off. Most people reach a moment like this. They've uploaded 50 designs, spent hours customizing products, checked their dashboards daily, and nothing happens. Sales are sporadic. Revenue is minimal. They wonder, is the model broken? Am I doing something wrong? Should I quit? This is the breaking point where failure isn't about value. It's about structure. It's the difference between uploading designs and strategically positioning products where people are already buying. This moment reveals the real problem. Effort alone doesn't equal income. Visibility combined with demand does. This is where the myth of easy money collides with reality. 6. Failed fixes. Why popular tips don't work. When people fail at pod, they are often told, make more designs, use trending keywords, automate everything, add more platforms. These aren't bad tactics, but they're incomplete. Here's why they fail. More designs does not equal more salespeople think output quantity raises revenue. But if none of the designs match real demand, adding more doesn't help. Trends without context. Just because a keyword is trending doesn't mean customers are willing to pay for your product. Automation without strategy tools can help with posting or research, but they can't generate demand. The missing link in all of these fixes is understanding customer behavior and market dynamics. Most advice focuses on templates and speed. The real income comes from value alignment. 7. Delayed answer. What actually makes print on demand work? So, what's the real reason some people succeed? Here's the delayed answer. Print on demand works when you match your product with existing demand and understand margins clearly. Let's break that down. 1. Find demand first. Then make the product smart sellers. Never start by guessing designs. They start by researching what customers are already buying, what niches are underserved, what problems or desires people pay for. Market research is not optional, it's foundational. 2. Understand profit. Not just revenue a $30 shirt might sell. But if after platform fees, printing, marketing, and transaction costs, you keep only $3, that's not income. Profit requires pricing strategy, supplier quality, plus cost management, understanding fees plus tax. Many fail because they optimize sales numbers, not margins. 3. Use platforms intentionally. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, Amazon Merch, Redbubble. Each has different audience behaviors. Some reward search queries. Some highlight bestsellers. Some require paid traffic. Understanding how each platform's algorithm works gives you an advantage. Most beginners treat all platforms the same. That's the mistake. 8. Modern parallels why this pattern repeats today. Right now, print on demand sits at the intersection of two big economic shifts. 1. Low barrier entry. Anyone can start a store online, often for free. 2. Market saturation. Millions of designs compete for attention. This creates a paradox. Just because a business can be started easily doesn't mean it's easy to profit in. This pattern shows up in freelancing, dropshipping, digital content, influencer niches. It's not about accessibility. It's about differentiation, and that's the real dividing line. Case study illustration, explanatory story. Imagine two sellers. Seller A uploads many unrelated designs, uses generic terms, hopes traffic arrives. Seller B studies what niche customers are searching, designs with intent, focuses where demand already exists. After 3 months, Seller A may have dozens of listings and no meaningful income. Seller B might have only 5 well-optimized listings and consistent sales. Not because Seller B works harder, but because Seller B works smart. 9. WHOI print on demand still matters. Despite the challenges, print on demand is still a powerful model because it removes two massive barriers. Risk. No inventory means no upfront cost tied up in products. Flexibility. You can iterate without cost. This means beginners can experiment. Niche targeting matters more than volume. Long-term strategy beats random uploads. But the key is this: your business must work with demand, not in spite of it. 10. 3 clear takeaways. Takeaway number 1: success is not luck. It's alignment. Success in print on demand isn't about random uploads. It's about aligning products with real customer demand. Takeaway number 2: profit is not the same as sales. Big revenue numbers can hide low income. Real success requires understanding margins and costs. Takeaway number 3: systems matter more than tools. Tools can automate tasks, but systemic thinking, research, feedback loops, optimization drives real income. 11. Warning: open-ended thought. Here's the hard truth. Print on demand isn't the easy business it's sold as. It's a low-risk business, but not a zero-effort or zero-skill one. Most people fail not because the model is flawed, but because they treat it like a shortcut, not a system. So ask yourself, are you trying to make money? Or are you trying to understand why money happens? 12. Call to action: natural and calm. If you want honest, clear explanations about income, business, and how money actually works, not hype, not get-rich-quick schemes, subscribe to Income Explained. And comment below, what is the biggest challenge you face in starting or scaling a print-on-demand business? Because once you understand the system, you stop chasing uncertainty and start building income that lasts.